Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 12 on Poisson distribution. In this lecture we will discuss one more problem on Poisson distribution, and this question was asked in GTU Summer 2025 exam. So first we understand what is this question. It is given that a factory produces light bulbs. The probability of a bulb being defective is 0.02. If 200 bulbs are tested, use the Poisson approximation to find the probability that at least 3 bulbs are defective. So first we define the random variable, and then we see that whether our random variable is a binomial random variable or not. And we know that in binomial random variable, if number of trials are large and probability of success is very small, then we can use Poisson distribution to approximate binomial distribution. And as we have discussed in earlier lectures, that the rule of thumb to use Poisson approximation for binomial distribution is that number of trials are 20 or more and probability of success is 0.05. If these two are satisfied, then we can use Poisson distribution to approximate binomial distribution. So here they are talking about 200 bulbs. They are testing 200 bulbs and they are testing for defectiveness. They are testing that every bulb is either defective or not defective, and they have asked to find the probability that at least 3 bulbs are defective, and they have also given that the probability of a bulb being defective is 0.02. So here we will define our random variable capital X as the number of defective bulbs out of given 200 bulbs. Capital X equal to number of defective bulbs, and they are given n equal to 200. They are testing for 200 bulbs, that is number of trials are 200, and for each trial there are two possibilities, either bulb is defective or bulb is not defective. So we define success as the event that bulb is defective, and it is given that probability of a bulb being defective is 0.02. That means probability of success is given as 0.02. Here we consider that success is bulb is defective, therefore probability of success is given as 0.02, and this remains constant for every bulb. And these trials are independent, that is the defectiveness of one bulb is independent of the remaining bulbs. So all the conditions of binomial distribution are satisfied. So we can say that if we define capital X equal to number of defective bulbs, then this capital X is a binomial random variable with n equal to 200 and probability of success equal to 0.02. And we can observe that number of trials are large and probability of success is 0.02, or we can see that this 200 is greater than 20 and this p is less than 0.05. Therefore we can approximate this binomial distribution using Poisson distribution. So whenever we are using Poisson distribution to approximate binomial distribution, we have to recall the probability mass function of a Poisson distribution, which is probability that capital X equal to small x is e raised to minus lambda times lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Here lambda is nothing but average number of defective bulbs, and that we can find by taking multiplication of number of trials with probability of success. So this turns out to be 200 divided into 0.02. This we can simplify as 0.02, that is 2 divided by 100, So here this 100 will get cancelled and we have lambda equal to 4, and therefore the probability mass function of Poisson distribution or Poisson approximation has probability distribution as e raised to minus lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Instead of writing in this way, we can write that the Poisson approximation is given by this formula, because our random variable is binomial random variable and we are using Poisson approximation to calculate required probability. So Poisson approximation is given by this, and for Poisson approximation the range of x is 0, 1, 2 and so on. There is no upper bound. Therefore probability of x equal to small x is equal to lambda is 4 e raised to minus 4 raised to x divided by x factorial. X takes the values 0, 1, 2 and so on. And now once we are having this function gives us the probability that x bulbs are defective. Probability of x equal to small x means if number of bulbs are x, then they are defective is given by this. Probability of x equal to small x is the probability that x bulbs are defective, and here we are asked to find the probability that at least 3 bulbs are defective, so that now we can calculate using this formula. So now we are writing that probability of at least 3 bulbs are defective. Now number of defective bulbs are denoted by capital X, therefore this we can rewrite as number of defective bulbs are at least 3. At least 3 means either 3 or more, that is probability of x greater than or equal to 3. And to calculate this we use the fact that if we consider x greater than or equal to 3 and x less than 3, then these two are complementary event. These two are complementary events, therefore sum of their probabilities is equal to 1. Therefore probability of this event is 1 minus probability of its complement, which is x is less than 3. And because x is discrete random variable, x less than 3 is equivalent to capital X is less than or equal to 2, because x can take only discrete values, and this is nothing but probability of x equal to 0 or probability of x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2, that means x can be either 0 or x equal to 1 or x can be 2, but at the same time x will assume only one value. These three cannot happen at the same time. When x equal to 0 is there, these two will not occur. So these events are mutually exclusive, and or means we are considering union of these three events and they are mutually exclusive. Therefore probability of their union is given by addition of their probabilities using addition rule for probability. So here I am applying addition rule for probability of mutually exclusive events. Now we have this formula, probability of x defective bulbs is given by e raised to minus 4 times 4 raised to x by x factorial. So here we will first put x equal to 0 to obtain probability of x equal to 0. Then x equal to 1 will give us probability of x equal to 1, and for x equal to 2 here we will replace small x by 2. So that we are substituting in that formula. We have e raised to minus 4 raised to x, here x is 0, divided by x factorial, that is 0 factorial. Similarly we put x equal to 1, 4 raised to x, that is 4, divided by 1 factorial. Similarly for x equal to 2 we have e raised to minus 4 4 raised to x divided by x factorial, and we have taken x equal to 2. And now you can see in each step here, in each term, we have this quantity as common, so that we take outside the bracket. 4 raised to 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, therefore we consider 1 here, plus 4 square, that is 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So this is now 13 times e raised to minus 4, and using scientific calculator you can find out value of e to the power x, and if you take x equal to minus 4 using scientific calculator, you will obtain this as 0.7618, and this is the probability that at least 3 bulbs are defective. So here we have used Poisson approximation to calculate the probability of at least 3 bulbs, and to use Poisson approximation we will use this rule of thumb, which says that if value of n is greater than or equal to 20 and probability of success is smaller than 0.05, then we can use Poisson approximation with lambda equal to n times p to calculate probabilities of binomial distribution. And if they specify particular distribution, then you must use that specified distribution only. You can solve this problem using binomial distribution also, but because they have specified to use Poisson approximation, you must do this problem using Poisson approximation to the binomial distribution. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.